So hi guys, good morning. Mai is here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, yung gagawin natin guys is gagawa tayo ng isang homemade na fish chef's crab, and what we need is yung nasa bahay lang talaga siya na hindi siya masyadong kamahalan. So are you excited? Yes, I'm excited to do this one. So what we need is we need a tomato, sugar, and honey. So, yeah, if you're interested kung anong magiging result nito sa skin ko, sa face ko, so please keep on watching. Hi guys! So, yung gagawin natin is slice natin yung tomato. And, ito siyang tomato. I-dip natin dito sa sugar and i-scrub natin circular dito sa face natin. So, let's go and let's do this. Guys, so ayan, lagay ko na siya. So let's wait for about 10 minutes and tingnan natin kung anong magiging resulta ng skin ko mamaya. So I'll be back later. I'm back and it's already 10 minutes. So i-wash na natin yung face ko and later balikan mo kayo kung ano na yung mga nangyari. Guys, I'm back. So, hilamos na ako guys. And the next naman na ilalagay natin is yung honey. So, I'm back again and nalagay ko na, natapos ko na ilagay yung honey, and let's wait again for about 10 minutes bago natin siya bandayan. So, see you! Guys, I'm back again and it's already 10 minutes since nilagay natin yung honey sa face ko, and ngayon i-wash na naman. Guys, I'm back and natapos ko na siyang ilagay, i-apply yung tomato with sugar and also the honey. And yes, so far, I really love the result. So, I don't know if nakikita niyo, but feeling ko lang talaga na smooth yung skin ko and ang ganda niya. Hindi rin siya nangati yung face ko at this time na may sugar siya. Unlike before na nilagay ko yung tomato na yung tomato lang talaga na inanok siya, parang minast ko siya or scrub ko siya sa face ko. Medyo may kati-kati konti. But at this time na nilagay ko siya na with sugar, tomato and sugar scrub with my face, wala siyang wala siyang kati-kati, and yes, ang cute niya. Maybe pag ma-continue mo to, maybe not that every day or once a week or twice a week mo siyang gawin, maganda talaga yung magiging result sa face mo. So, yeah, i-try natin to siya. I will try it again maybe next week kung may tomato kami na extra dito sa house, and ita-try ko siya and tingnan natin kung may mga changes pa ba na mangyayari sa face ko. Kasi, I don't know if nakikita niyo na may mga dark spots ako dahil may mga pimples. So, yeah, i-try natin. But anyway, so far, yung masasabi ko nito na home remedy for mga beauty routine natin is I really give a thumbs up. Maganda talaga siya. Maganda siya. So, i-try nyo din. Kasi, we always have the tomato, the sugar, and yeah, the honey at home. So, i-try natin. I-try nyo din kung maganda pa sa skin nyo. Sa akin, so far nga sa akin is maganda siya. So, walang katikati. Parang may mga a little bit red lang yung banda na parang sobra yung pagganon ko, but yeah, so far is maganda yung result niya. So yeah, anyway guys, that's all for my review for today with this homemade na facial scrub na tomato, sugar, and honey. So yeah, I will give a thumbs up for this one. I really give 2 thumbs up for this one. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and also if you do this one, please put in the comments kung ano yung mga naramdaman mo. And yeah, and also if you're new for my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell button para nabulol ako. Para every time I have a new video, you will be updated sa mga pampaganda natin na mga home remedy lang na hindi tayo gagastos. So, budget tips to sa mga pampaganda, mga budget tips, mga budget beauty routine natin. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. And thank you so much for watching. And I love you all. Bye!